Good morning. Let's talk about in which companies you should invest today. I have many companies in my portfolio, so this is how I can tell you that in which companies you should invest. Let's talk about the indicators, then the stock action. If we see many companies are in the low today, only few are in the positive. So let's see that in which negative company you should invest so that you can get profit. You have to first put your some money in the Reliance and TCS. It will give you return in the upcoming time. They have daily positive and negative change. So you can invest on that particular companies. They are also in Nifty 50. After that, you can invest in Type 20 Microns, Hexaware Tech, and Atul. This Atul is a little bit risky because it is much more on the negative side, but you have to invest. If we see the graph of these companies, they are getting up down, so this is the time in which you can invest in those companies. After some time, sorry for the black screen videos, but after some time you will get the proper videos. So let's see, let me suggest you the more companies. So you can automobile, Excel, you can invest in Andhra Bank, ICICI, and the other bank. You can invest in ONCG, Reliance, SBI, Sun Pharma, Tata Steels, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Titan, Ultratech Cement. Asian Paint is getting negative for a few days, so there is risk to invest in the Asian Paints. But yeah, it is also a good company to invest. We have to suggest you the good companies, so sometimes it maybe take time to suggest. You can invest in Atul, APL Apollo, Adani Enterprise, Adani Green, all the companies of the Adani holding, you can invest on it because they are all are in the positive. And if you want Adani shares in the negative price, so you can wait so that you can gain the more profit. Now this you can invest in Vodafone and Idea. You can invest in Force Motors. It also gives the good return. In the automobile sector, you can also invest on other companies also. Invest in the Force Motors. It also give you good return after some time. Sometimes the application which I used to show it may be crashed. So sometimes it also take me time to tell. Don't invest in Jindal Steel, Reliance Infrastructure, DCM and all. Let's tell you the companies in which you should invest today. Nifty 50 showing the good growth. So you can see also my videos in which I show you the Nifty 50 companies in which you should invest because they give you profit, there is less chance that those companies will give you loss. You can invest in 20 microns, Adani, the company is owned by Adani Group, Ashok Leyland, it will come in profit in a few time, so you can invest in it. The share prices of the Ashok Leyland is also decrease. Its opening price is 2 rupees higher, but now it is trading on the 2% low. Also see the date and time of the particular video. You can also see my previous videos related to those. Invest in Reliance, Bharat Dynamics. You can invest in banking sector, but also see that the companies which have the positive. You can invest in ITI, SPI Life Insurance, L&T, Infotech, Adani Gas, and UCO Bank. These are the companies which I will suggest you today to invest. Thank you for watching.